Welcome back, YouTube. So I was telling you about the quarter panel repair kit on for my Monte Carlo. So let me just show you. eBay seller is getting it from the same place, and Amazon is getting it from the same place, and the tooling defect is exactly the same. It may be a hair less on this one than this one. To me, this one looks like it's more pronounced. It could be, yeah, this one's definitely more pronounced than this one. So this manufacturer needs to get their shit together. Extra tooling strike. And then these, my Monte Carlo, are the lights that I cut out when I was telling you about the bad body work. So let me show you. So the guy that did the body work for me. Why is there fucking people here at 7:30? We don't open till 8 o'clock. Yeah, so back here, I did the metal work in this area on the quarter panel. And you see I have no issues with my metal work. But here's a guy that has 30 years body experience, does a shitty job for me. And that's the fender I did the metal work on too. So, if you guys want a blend product for your G-body, and continue to buy that part, I'm just going to go with the one that's not so bad and send back the other one. But so both vendors are buying it from the same place. But this vendor needs to get his tooling strike fixed because this is horrible. That is worse than that, in my opinion. And I just don't want to see that. And I don't know if I'm even going to still use this. Thanks for watching.